Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano bakunin ang equation ng line or ang linear function given its slope, no? And given also the coordinates of one point. So let's have our first example. So for number 1, find the equation of a line passing through 2, 1 and with the slope of 3. So again, yung pinaka equation natin ng linear function natin is y equals ax plus b, di ba? And kung napanood niyo yung mga previous videos natin, sabi natin, yung a is yung slope, no? A is the slope, and yung b natin ay yung ating y-intercept, no? This is the y-intercept. And sa ibang mga libro, ang gamit nila ay y equals mx plus b. So, malamang nakikita nyo nito sa ibang books. Because sa ibang books, ang ginagamit nila ng symbol for m ay, a symbol for slope ay m. Pero dito, ang symbol natin for slope ay a. It doesn't matter kung alin yung gagamitin nyo, no? As long as you are consistent. So, here we use a. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa problem number 1. Given na yung slope natin, no? So pwede na nating i-substitute dito sa a, no? So, magiging y equals 3x plus b. Wala pa tayong value ng b, yun yung y-intercept natin, hindi pa natin alam, but meron pa tayong additional information, yung 2, 1 na point, no? At yung x-coordinate ng point ay 2 and yung y-coordinate niya ay 1. So, yung xy na to, pwede natin siya i-substitute dito, no? Kasi pag nag-substitute tayo ng xy dito ay makuha natin yung value ng b, no? At yun na lang naman ang kailangan natin. So, ang y natin ay 1, and then yung x natin ay 2, no? 3 times 2 plus b. And 1 equals 3 times 2 is 6 plus b. So, para makuha natin yung b, magma-minus 6 tayo. Y minus 6 equals 6 minus 6 plus b. Tanggalin natin yung 6 dito, no? So, pag nag-minus tayo ng 6 dito, magma-minus din tayo dito. So, maging negative 5 siya equals b. So, ang value natin ng b ay negative 5. So, ibig sabihin yung pinaka-value ng b nito, isa-substitute natin ito dito sa pinaka-equation natin. So, magiging y equals 3x plus negative 5. And again, pag nag-plus negative tayo, if we add a negative number is just the same as subtracting the number. So, pwede natin sabihin na y equals 3x minus 5. This is also correct, no? So, but usually, ito yung form na ginagamit natin. Next, number 2. Number 2, we have find the equation of a line whose slope is negative 2 and passing through negative 3, 2. Again, pwede natin gamitin to pero tuturuan ko pa kayo ng isa pang strategy or isa pang method, no? So, ang isang pwede natin gamitin na strategy is y minus y sub 1. O isang formula, m x minus x sub 1. So, yung m natin dito is, again, yung slope. Tapos, yung x sub 1 tsaka y sub 1 natin, yung coordinates ng mga points. No? So, dito, ang point natin ay negative 3, 2. So, i-substitute lang natin. Ito yung x natin, ito yung y, no? This is our x, and this is our y. X sub 1, y sub 1. Yung y tsaka x, as is siya, no? Yung ang isa-substitute natin is yung y sub 1 tsaka x sub 1. So, y minus, what is y sub 1 here? 2 equals m. Meron na tayong m, negative 2 times x minus x sub 1 minus negative 3. So, y minus 2 equals negative 2. Ang minus negative, di ba, plus? Giging plus ito, plus 3. And then we use the distributive property. Y minus 2 equals negative 2x. And then, negative 2 times 3, magiging plus, copy the plus. And then negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. So, y minus 2 equals negative 2x. Siguro, dapat na tayo mag-plus. No? So, we want to eliminate 2 dito, no, sa kaliwa. So, para matanggal natin to, maging y equals ax plus b siya, tatanggalin natin yung minus 2 dito. And to do that, magpa-plus 2 tayo dapat. no? Para magiging 0 na to. So, negative 2x plus negative 6 plus 2. So, magiging y, mawawala na to, magka-cancel na. Plus negative 2x, what is negative 6 plus 2? Plus negative 4 yung sagot. So, and again, plus negative 4 is the same as minus 4. So, y equals negative 2x minus 4. Okay, so, ito na yung pinaka sagot natin. Pwede nyo i-check, no, kung gamitin nyo to and see if you can still get this equation. No? And number 3, gagamitin ulit natin yung unang equation. So, y equals ax plus b. Pero dito sinasabi niya rate of change, no? Ang rate of change at slope, pareho lang siya, no? This is another way of naming slope. So, 4 ang slope natin, and when x equals 5, y equals negative 1, it's just the same as ito, no? 5, negative 1. So, this is just one way of stating also that it passes through 5, negative 1. So, y equals, meron na tayong slope, 4x plus b. Again, we substitute 5 and negative 1. So, negative 1 yung y natin. So, maging negative 1 equals 4. X is 5 plus b. So, negative 1 equals 20 plus b. And para makuha natin yung b, magma-minus 20 tayo on both sides. No? So, negative 1 minus 20 equals 20 minus 20 plus b. So, magiging negative 21 equals b. So, again, i-substitute natin yung b doon sa pinaka-equation natin sa taas, value of b. Then, magiging y equals 4x plus negative 21 or 4x. Y equals 4x minus 21. I think that's it. Dito natutunan niyo yung dalawang methods, no, to get the equation of a line, or for finding the equation of a line given its slope and the coordinates of one point. Maraming salamat, and gusto kong invite sa YouTube channel natin. Just click the subscribe button below the video, and may inform kayo every time na meron tayong post sa inyong mga emails. No? Maraming salamat, and see you in the next tutorial.